Can you consider divorce?
नहीं सर, मैं रहना चाहती हूँ साथ में।
अगर वो रहना नहीं चाहते तो जबरदस्ती तो हम कर नहीं सकते। आप किसी सूरत में डिवोर्स कंसिडर कर सकते हैं?
सर फिर मैं कहाँ जाऊंगी?
13 लाख के अरियर्स हैं। आपको क्या अभी इन्होंने हाँ नहीं बोला है, लेकिन अगर दोनों मिला के आपको मिले तो क्या आप डिवोर्स कंसिडर कर सकते हैं? यस, प्लीज टेल अस व्हाट डू द पार्टीज वांट?
My lord. In fact, we have moved an application, my lord, to refer the case for court-appointed mediator, my lord. We have moved an application, formal application for that purpose, my lord. We say that if because presently what is happening, my lord, that she
You're
is not
appearing
enough
for the
for the wife, my lord, for the wife respondent. My lord.
any possibility of a reconciliation?
She is of the view, my lord, that if there is, of course, there is some predicament on the part of the husband, my lord, that she had in fact made him suffer at the time when these proceedings were going on, because he was, yeah. So, but what had happened, your lordship, that after that, even after the incarnation, there was a compromise which had taken place and it was successful. All the, even 482 was allowed, 498 was quashed. Everything happened after he went into jail. So we also feel, my lord, that if it is referred to a mediator, there is a possibility that.
My lord, we have previous.
Mediation does not necessarily mean getting together. It means settling your disputes without a fight.
My lord, may
Does
I?
he want to live with her
No, my lord.
under any circumstance? Some
No,
circumstance?
no, my lord. They are scared. They are afraid.
No
my lord.
possibility at
No
all?
possibility, my lord.
कोई उम्मीद है इकट्ठे होने की?
सर
किसी भी
2012
सूरत में नहीं?
सर 2012 में हाईकोर्ट के समझौते में लेके आए
किस
परेशान
किस-
Report push होता हो.
किसी भी सूरत में पॉसिबल नहीं।
And
And Miss Kiani, can you consider divorce?
नहीं सर, मैं रहना चाहती हूँ साथ में।
अगर वो रहना नहीं चाहते तो जबरदस्ती तो हम कर नहीं सकते। आप किसी सूरत में डिवोर्स कंसिडर कर सकते हैं?
सर फिर मैं कहाँ जाऊंगी?
नहीं, आपसे वही पूछ रहे हैं। अगर ये आप व्हाट डज शी डू
She's a housewife.
एंड व्हाट डज ही डू?
my lord, इनका मुर्रा
He has a
बनाने का
business
काम
of
है.
more than-
मुर्रा बनाते हैं. मुर्रा पोहा बनाते हैं.
क्या बनाते हैं?
मुर्रा मुरमुरा और पोहा जो.
More than 5 CR का उनका turnover है.
नहीं,
They
ये
are not
तो
paying
this is-
35,000 rupees per month.
This is only.
No,
So
they have
any-
presented those documents.
Is there any offer from your side?
Yes, my lord. Previously, we have offered 25 lakh rupees. They refused it. There, it is already in the order, my lord.
So
And then we enhanced on the.
how much are you willing to go up now?
My lord, 30 at max we can. Because my lord, he has his life has become hell, my lord. He's
दोनों की? Don't
जी
think
दोनों
कि-
की my lord, दोनों की.
So उस चीज को आप तराजू
my
में
lord,
मत
my
रखो।
lord, my lord, दो.
इन्होंने सफर किया तो उन्होंने भी किया
Yes,
होगा। ये
yes.
नहीं तो एक साइड सफर करके
Yes.
बोथ कर।
Yes, my lord.
मिस्टर अवस्थी,
My lord, would my lord just consider
मिस्टर अवस्थी,
the reference part? My
मिस्टर
lord.
अवस्थी।
My lord.
You see, if it is close to a figure which she can consider, we will pursue this. If it is totally off, then we'll simply list it for hearing and not
If
enter
my
into-
lord could, in that context only, I'm just pointing out, my lord, I have uploaded one table of areas of maintenance which is there, my lord. 13 lakh ko to areas se they have not paid for last 2 years.
1-3.
13 lakh, 13. If my lord may please to see. और अभी यहाँ पे 25 lakh and there they are, my lord.
He's offering 30 lakhs today. So we can consider adding 13 to it.
My lord,
13 lakh arrears हैं.
my lord, may I make one submission, my lord?
Will that be a workable figure?
My lord, in that context, my lord, I would say, my lord, my suggestion is, my lord, if it could be referred to the mediator only, they can,
My
there
lord,
they can sit,
my lord,
because right now.
I have serious objection to this, my lord. Kindly forgive me for my words, my lord.
That's all right.
They were already, my lord, I was already having this apprehension that again they will come up for adjournment of the case, my lord. Anyhow, they will seek adjournment,
In any case, we can't take it out.
my lord.
It's getting deferred.
My lord. My lord, because my lord, the
My lord,
history of
there
this
is a
case has experienced.
examination of his own children are going on, my lord, still he is insisting on the hearings.
Miss Kiani, इनका 30 लाख का ऑफर है और 13 लाख के अरियर्स हैं। आपको क्या अभी इन्होंने हाँ नहीं बोला है, लेकिन अगर दोनों मिला के आपको मिले तो क्या आप डिवोर्स कंसिडर कर सकते हैं?
सर मैं पैसे नहीं बोल रही हूँ, मेरे को बात बना के जाना है। आप मेडिएशन के थ्रू
List it
बात
for
करवा
hearing.
दीजिए।
No purpose of mediation. We'll list it for hearing.
Oh, she is also insisting, my lord, that if it could be sent for mediation, there also they
No.
can be persuaded.
You see, she's saying she doesn't want money.
My lord, what is actually presently happening, I had a discussion with her about it. The background is, my lord, that presently those exams are going on. She is not in a frame of mind to even consider this aspect only. They have insisted it on at a time, my lord, when there is
When do
exams.
the exams get
my-
over?
Both her children are, my
My-
lord, are
When
pursuing
are the
studies.
exams getting over?
My lord, it will get
My lord,
over
my
in
respectful
the second week of April, my lord. Because
So we'll list it
My lord.
in the week commencing 21st April for.
My lord, may,
My lord.
if kindly permit, my lord, I've got my anxiety on the last hearing also, my lord. And the second last hearing, my lord, we made a request for hearing. They come up with an application, my
We
lord.
are not referring it to mediation.
My lord,
We are listing it for hearing in the week of 21st April. If on that day while hearing, if both parties come up with a solution, we'll take it. We are
my
not
lord,
referring it to
my lord,
mediation.
they will
We are
not come.
listing it for hearing. We are not listing it for settlement. We are listing it for hearing, but we are keeping the option open. अगर उस दिन आप कहते हो जी हम X amount देने को तैयार, वो कह रहे हैं हम लेने को
Sir.
तैयार, तो बहस क्यों सुनेंगे?
My lord, today also it was listed for final hearing and there was clear understanding from the respondent side, my lord, that they will not seek adjournment.
So
But they have
are-
filed an application for this, my lord,
We are ignoring that application.
my lord.
But you look at the time also.
My lord, then it may be taken up tomorrow or day after tomorrow, my lord, because my lord, it is listed for final hearing since November two thousand twenty-three, my lord.
What is the urgency?
My lord, the
You don't
pain
have
and
to be-
agony, my lord, is the urgency.
125 का my lord hearing होने वाली है.
The pain and agony is the urgency, my lord.
It's for both sides.
My lord, but because she is continuously harassing this person, my lord, therefore my submission, my lord. And I'm only making, just bringing out the pain of this litigant before the court.
What about arrears of maintenance?
My lord, my lord, with respect to that, I have all the answers, my lord, and probably that will satisfy the query.
The answer, is there an order of a court?
Yes, my lord, there is order of the
Have you
court.
complied with it?
Yeah, I have complied with, my lord.
How do they say 13 lakhs?
My lord, they are only making these allegations which cannot be substantiated from the orders, my lord. If I place all the orders before the court, I have already prepared the chart, my lord. I have already prepared the chart that there is no area on my part, my lord. And
How
on,
much have you paid in cash?
my lord, I
How
have
did
paid
you
in
see?
cash, total amount received, my lord, 11,98,500.
Total 11,98,500 have been paid, my lord.
If learned, my brother
How much
permit me,
has
my
been
lord.
paid? Please tell us.
My lord, 11,98,500 rupees I have already paid.
How much is the amount?
My lord, that was an ex parte order. If my lord may kindly see
Is
this.
it set aside?
No, it is not set aside.
Ex parte order or an order?
My lord, but there is already an interim order in my favor. There is already an interim
From
order
which court?
from the High Court, my lord, in the other proceedings, my lord.
It has
Because
already
there
been
are
ordered
total,
that
there
no
are total
coercive action
22
will be taken against him.
litigations, my
My
lord.
lord, what has happened? He did not deposit any money, so he was sent behind the bars. After that, he deposited some money.
That was ex parte
And
order. Twice I been to jail, my lord.
Once was because of
Sir,
498A, and
One second.
second was
Is there a stay order?
there
Yes,
was a
ma'am.
direction that no coercive action will be taken against him. So far as deposit of money is concerned, there was no stay. That there is a stay on the interim.
What is the stay order?
My lord. Just kindly see, my lord. इसके पुराना वाला 22/10/2022
Where is the order?
20/10/2022 का order.
So
20/10/2022.
give us this table, give us the order, stay order.
My lord, this is one of the order, my lord. Because I was apprehending that today there will be hearing,
You
therefore
say if there is no stay order, you get no audience till you deposit the money.
my lord, that
You
order,
get no audience till, if
My
there
lord-
is no stay order, you get no audience. till
my
you
lord, there
deposit
was
the
no order in this case, my lord. It was order passed in the separate
Whichever
proceedings, my
case,
lord.
Matrimonial matters, till you clear maintenance, you have no right to have audience.
My lord, kindly see, this is the interim order, my lord, in my
This
favor, my
only
lord.
says no further action means what? You will not be sent behind bar. This order is not stayed. You have to honor.
My lord,
Then we'll dismiss this petition for
Huh?
non-compliance of the order for maintenance.
My lord, just kindly see, my lord, this order 5/9/2022, my lord. By this, looking to the facts and circumstances of the case, as an interim measure, it is directed that on depositing rupees 8 lakh by the applicant before the trial court, recovery of the remaining amount shall remain stayed till the next date. Of hearing this 8 lakh, we have already
Next
deposited.
date is only no further action.
My lord, and 8 lakh rupees we have already deposited, my lord. The total amount of 11,98,000 rupees we have.
Includes this 8 lakhs.
Yes, my lord. ये इसलिए मैं बस ये निवेदन कर रहा था, आप
Released or not released?
ये
It
आप
was
इसको देख
released,
सकते
my lord,
हैं।
after
Released,
6
my lord।
months, we had to persuade them, my lord.
How much is the monthly amount of maintenance?
35,000,
35,000.
3 persons are there.
35.
3 persons are, he is
35,000.
earning 5 CR per year.
5 CR, my lord.
He is-
It
he has
totally
filed
an
his-
incorrect
he has-
statement just to prejudice the
I'll
king.
I'll just
Making a
point
respectful
out, I'll just point out, my lord.
It is not this amount.
Then he
my lord,
should
because-
furnish his
because
details.
Her brothers have assaulted me, my lord. I was subjected to jail, my lord. In jail, I was being assaulted, my lord. My respectful submission, kindly hear my.
To the jail authorities.
My lord, we have already made an application, my lord, but we could not get anything, my lord. All were in vain, my lord. And in 2003, when I got,
Filed your income tax returns before this court.
before this court, no, my lord, before this court, I haven't filed.
Bring your income tax returns. We will see whether he has the capacity to pay 35,000. How many children?
Two
Two
children.
children, my lord.
Who are they living with?
They are
With the
living
mother
with
only,
mother.
from the beginning.
Since 2014, my lord, I hadn't met my
What
children.
about their maintenance?
My lord, I was paying maintenance to them, but because the
No, 35
daughter-
includes children's maintenance also.
there is one more order, my lord, that the areas of the maintenance amount shall remain subject to the final outcome of the petition, my lord. Because my financial condition was not that I can pay her money. And though that was an ex parte order, my lord, and for that,
See, that's the unfortunate situation. All earning people become unemployed.
no, I'm not saying I'm unemployed.
What does he do?
My lord, ये
कहाँ private और
नहीं प्राइवेट खुद का बनाते हैं मुर्रा और वो पोहा बनाते हैं
दुकान है कहीं पे?
सर
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है.
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है मुर्रा और मतलब मुर्रा 5 करोड़ का मुर्रा बनाना मतलब ये तो पूरे मध्य प्रदेश को सप्लाई करना होगा देयर
ब्रांड नेम क्या है?
ब्रांड नेम नहीं है ब्रांड नेम नहीं मैंने पूछा था ये वाला कि कोई ब्रांड नेम है कि नहीं है बिकॉज आई वाज आल्सो एप्रीहेंडिंग कि अगर
तो होगा, ये थोड़ी सड़क पे बनाते होंगे.
नहीं
फैक्ट्री लगाई हुई है.
फैक्ट्री सर मुर्गा सर उज्जैन में है इनका
फैक्ट्री है ना? फैक्ट्री है.
सब उज्जैन में उद्योग विभाग की लीज की जमीन पर छोटा काम चलता है. टर्नर हमारा टर्नर ज्यादा है.
कितनी बड़ी फैक्ट्री है?
जी सर,
कितने फुट की फैक्ट्री है? कितने गज की फैक्ट्री है?
ये सर अपने लगभग 18-20 से ज्यादा है सर.
18-20
स्क्वायर फीट है. 18-20 स्क्वायर फीट.
18,000 स्क्वायर फुट की.
जी
हाँ सर, लीज की जमीन सर बात है. तो लीज में भी खत्म होने वाली है. और सर ना हमारी अभी
टर्नओवर कितनी है आपकी?
जी
टर्नओवर कितनी है?
टर्नओवर हमारा लगभग 2.5 करोड़ के आसपास था. और हमारी इनकम लगभग जल्दी मेंटेनेंस लगाया है, उससे पहले लगाया लगभग अबाउट 3.5-4 लाख ईयर का है. बोले कभी का भी देखिए
महीने का, साल का?
साल का सर.
2.5 करोड़ का काम करके 3 लाख कमाते हो,
क्या
क्या करते हो?
इसमें भी सर और लॉस है. तो कुछ पार्टियों का पेमेंट डूबा पड़ा और उनको केस करना मतलब बहुत पीछे चल रहे हैं केस में. रोज आज यहाँ बैठे कल भोपाल में भी तारीख है.
60 लाख
इतना जीवन को बर्बाद कर रखा सर तुमने माना.
60 लाख रुपए 60 लाख रुपए इन्होंने लोगों को उधार दिए हुए हैं. 60 लाख रुपए एक अकाउंट में.
काम करते हैं आपके?
जी सर,
कितने मजदूर काम करते हैं?
कभी 7 कभी 8.
टेम्पररी है?
जी
परमानेंट नहीं है कोई?
परमानेंट
मैनेजर नहीं है कोई?
नहीं
कोई
छोटा
आपको
काम है सर हमारा. रेडीमेड चावल आते हैं, वो उसको रोस्टर में डालते हैं, रेती में सेक के.
आज बंद है फैक्ट्री?
जी
बंद है फैक्ट्री?
जमीन
गाड़ी कौन सी चलाते हैं?
जी
गाड़ी कौन सी चलाते हैं?
गाड़ी एक्टिवा सर, वो जुपिटर.
हाँ जी,
जुपिटर
जुपिटर
गाड़ी है.
Jupiter is a two-wheeler
सर.
TVS Jupiter. My lord, what my respectful submission, since November 2023, my lord, this case is fixed for final hearing.
maybe clear the arrears without giving you final letter. Will you clear the arrears?
और सर 27 तारीख लगी है सर जो इस पे केस पे
List.
मेंटेनेंस केस पे फाइनल हियरिंग है.
My lord, please kindly see this this chart which I have placed before the court, my lord. Because जी
जी जी जी
ये आजकल ना इंटरनेट बड़ी गलत
एड्रेस के लिए जाता है. एड्रेस पे लिखा है सर. 27 दिन लगी हुई अभी हमारे मेंटेनेंस के फाइनल हियरिंग में यहीं पे हाई कोर्ट पे चले.
बासमती राइस क्यों बनाते हैं?
नहीं बासमती कोई बासमती राइस बनाते नहीं कोई होता ही सर.
जाकर कितनी फैक्ट्री हैं आपकी?
जी
कितनी फैक्ट्रियां हैं?
एक फैक्ट्री है सर.
और कटनी में?
फैक्ट्री में सर, फैक्ट्री में थोड़ी है, आपको थोड़ी है.
Khatni in Ujjain, he is from
अपना
Ujjain,
ना सर.
सिर्फ उज्जैन है?
only Ujjain. And my lord, he has faced 22 litigations, my lord. He is only
Oh, that is all right. So she's also had 22 litigations.
my lord, because she has implicated me in all these litigations. I'm only praying that my case may be kindly be heard, my lord, for final hearing.
Oh, no.
Because my lord, on
Clear the arrears. We'll set it down for hearing.
my lord, there is already an entry, my lord, on 29/11/2023 by this honorable court that arrears of the maintenance amount shall remain subject to final outcome of that petition, my lord. Because my lord, since November it is listed for final hearing, I have made so many requests, my lord, and one or the other reason, my lord, they have come up for adjournment of the case, my lord.
उन्होंने जितने 4 लाख रुपए रिलीज किया था, 4 था पहले, 4 बाद में रिलीज किया, फिर ये बोल दिया ये अमाउंट सब्जेक्ट टू फाइनल आउटकम.
Because if this or ये एक मिनट दिखा देना. But this order sheet 2911 of 23, my lord, may kindly be seen, my lord, for a while, my lord. Not just making a humble prayer, my lord, for hearing. Twice I been to jail, my lord. My entire family has been ruined, my lord. My entire life has been ruined, my lord.
कहाँ से करेंगे इसकी?
My lord, just please see this order, my lord. I'm just making a humble prayer, my lord. This order may kindly be seen, my lord.
We have interacted with the parties. It appears that settlement of dispute is not possible. Admit, list in due course.
My lord, it is already admitted petition.
All right,
It was
matter be
already
listed,
for
matter be
hearing.
listed
My
in
lord.
the final hearing category as per its seniority.
My lord, please.
Do it that way. You have a huge factory. And unfortunately for you, today there is a street view also, where you go on Google Map and you can see what is there on the streets.
Yes, my lord.
How big is this factory? How many floors?
That I hadn't.
आपके कितने मंजिल की फैक्ट्री है?
सिंगल ही फ्लोर थोड़ी सर प्लेटफॉर्म में माल सुखाते हैं और उसमें सर लोन से आते हैं
वर्कर आपके कोई काम नहीं करते उसमें।
ठीक
आपके हिसाब से कोई वर्कर नहीं काम करते उसमें।
सर हमारी इंडस्ट्री छोड़ के जो भी इस संबंध में इंडस्ट्री आप कहीं भी देख लें ना कोई प्रॉफिट है ना कुछ है लोग मजबूरी में चला रहे हैं तो कोई काम नहीं जो अपने देखा करा
सारे मजदूरी में ही चलाते हैं जी।
सर हम तो ये बोलिए इस सारे केस वो केस से पहले देख लीजिए केस के बाद देख लीजिए मेंटेनेंस से पहले भी देख लीजिए साहब कोई हमारा कोई उसमें कोई मैनिपुलेट किसी चीज में नहीं
ठीक है, there is no urgency in your matter.
My lord, since 2000, my lord,
So
second.
there are matters of 2006 pending.
जी बिल्कुल.
There is no urgency.
सर 22 साल शादी को 20 साल वो वहीं रही है
My lord, it was already there in the final hearing list. my lord. It was already in the final hearing list since November
Yes, so it will be
2023,
listed
my lord.
seniority. It will be listed as per its seniority.
My lord, making a humble request, my lord, kindly. जी जी my lord, जी 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 my lord, we have my lord, it was my lord, I tender my apology, my lord. It was there in the final hearing list, my lord. I requested this case to be taken up as a out of turn matter on request, my lord. It was taken. Then twice it was heard, my lord. And because there was an prayer for adjournment on the respondent side, my lord, this case was fixed today as a motion hearing and final hearing list, my lord. And because of that, my lord, again, I'm making a request, my lord, for hearing of this case. It was already there in the final hearing list, my lord. Every week it was there in the final hearing list before the court, my lord. Already.
You clear the areas, then we'll consider, otherwise we'll not consider. We'll come
My
up.
lord,
with
there
final.
is already an interim order, my lord.
That's all right. So we're listing it, final hearing, it will be heard in its due course. What is the urgency?
My lord, then it was
Are you
already.
paying monthly maintenance or that is also stayed because of this order?
My lord, previously we have paid.
नथिंग इज बीइंग पेड
Nothing is being paid.
नहीं 11,98,000 already pay कर चुके हैं sir.
That is neither here nor there. 2 children. Wife is dependent, 3 people. He must be paying much more to his own employees than this 30,000 rupees for 3 people. 10,000 rupees a month. आज minimum wage क्या देते हैं?
12-15,000.
बच्चों के लिए 10,000 रुपए भी महीना कम है. Will come up in due course.
My lord, then my lord, it may be restored to the same final hearing number, my lord.
No, it will be listed in due course. We should not
My lord,
give
it
any.
was
we're not
already
giving
there in the
any-
final hearing list, my lord.
You clear the arrears, we'll consider it, listing it for final disposal, otherwise.
Then, my lord, it may be list along with these petitions, my lord. These are already there in the final hearing, my lord.
They are before single judge?
All petitions will be heard together.
They
my
are
lord.
before single judge, they're not before us. Maintenance petitions are before single judge.
There